Have you ever seen this symbol on your dashboard? If you have, then you have a problem. I'm telling you that your computer has an engine malfunction that is setting a code. There are a couple different things you need to do. The first thing you have to do is get the code read. Reading the code is not the same as diagnosing the problem. Reading the code, which you can have done at any parts store or come to Sunny Sunoco and we will do it for free, is plugging in a code scanner and getting a code number. It tells us what system to check on. There are over 3,000 codes on the average car. Once you get the code ran, we then have to go in a computer and look up on a trouble tree a procedure to diagnose the problem. Plugging in a computer and pulling hundreds of pieces of information that might be relevant to diagnosing that code. Once we analyze all the information and run all the tests, then we can pinpoint the exact problem and tell you what is wrong and how much it's going to cost. For more information, contact Colin or Steve at Sunny Sunoco, 609-823-1133. Thank you.